Hi, everybody. It's Morgan with a quick library minute from the East Adams Library District. And today I work at the library as the local history library assistant. And that means I get to do a lot of research and ask and answer a lot of questions. So today, I just wanted to show you a little bit about our website. We'll go down to, at the home, we'll scroll down to research and genealogy, local genealogy resources. And we scroll down, we're going to go to one of my very favorite websites. It is the Bureau of Land Management General Land Office Records. This is where all of the homesteading records are kept. Now, you'll see there's land patents, survey plats, and field notes, land status records, tract books, all kinds of things. But today we're just going to go ahead and take a quick look at the land patent records, if it'll upload. Now, one of the best things about this much underused website is how easy it is to use once you know it. So we scroll down, we'll go to Washington, and we will choose Adams County, but feel free to go anywhere you like. Now you can search by names, first, last, middle. You can search by township and range. What we're going to do today is go to one that I know is in there, Custer. And this is a fantastic resource to place people. You'll notice here, there is an accession record, Daniel F. Custer. And the date on it is 1/18/1909 out of the Willamette Meridian. And you'll see here there is actually an image on file. So we'll tap on the accession record. You'll see that it was filed in Walla Walla under the authority of the Homestead Entry Act. And the issue date, like I said, was 1/18/1909. You scroll down to the land descriptions, and this is actually where, let's see if it pops in. Okay, so it'll show you exactly where the homestead is in the section, just east of Rattlesnake Flats and just north of Washtenaw. So you can zoom in as much as you like into the Staley Coulee, right along what is now 261. You can see it there. You can also read total number of acres, 160 acres, very standard. And then we come up here to the Patton Image, and we can get to it. It's running a little slow today. Okay, while we're waiting for that PDF, let's go ahead and take a look at these related documents are actually neighbors, also an excellent research tool. You have Martin Staley, Gustav Nyman, Joshua Budd. They were all homesteaded in conjunction with each other or next to each other. And it is taking a minute. Here we go. So you have the original document scanned in, D.F. Custer, testimony by Warren Theodore Roosevelt. You can see the president's signature on it. And that is a very easy way to access your family documents for free through the General Land Office and the Bureau of Land Management. So if you have any questions, let us know. But this was Library Minute with the East Adams Library District. Thank you.